Competitors violating Amazon's policies, here's how to take action. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so I found this product. It has fake reviews. I'm going to show you the fake reviews in a second. But first, to report them, what you're going to do is you're going to go to brandregistry.amazon.com. You're going to go to support, contact brand support right here, and then report a marketplace policy violation. They have one right here for product reviews, other policy violations, incorrect variations, product not described. They even have one for regulatory violations. So if they're breaking an outside law, that's like the EPA, FDA, whatever law it is, you can report them here. So there's so many ways to report sellers. So get on brand registry so you can report them. Now let's report them together, and we're going to be doing a product review violation. So you can see this product, it's got like perfect reviews, 1,000 sold in the past month, and it's this purple toothpaste for teeth whitening. Crazy. Now let's look at the reviews, and we're going to scroll down and find the reviews. Oh, it looks so nice. You get shiny white teeth. Everybody likes white teeth. And then we're going to go down, and we're going to see their fake reviews. Now, I'm looking at the reviews. So cute, useful. This is not their product. I don't know what the heck this is, but it is not any purple toothpaste. Here's another one, works well. It is not their toothpaste. I don't know what product this is. So what happened is somebody stole this listing, hijacked it, and then it's a lint roller. It used to be a lint roller. It says it right here. So someone stole the listing, and it used to be a lint roller, changed all the images, changed the title to purple toothpaste. So it is like way against Amazon's policies. If you don't report it, Amazon is going to take a long time to figure it out because Amazon's using AI. So if you're not reporting them, they're not going to get shut down. So let's report them. And it's super easy. Describe the review policy violation. Now you can use ChatGPT or AI to help make it more concise, but this one's like so evident where it's going to be very, very easy for us to report them. All we have to do is just say, we looked at the reviews and it mentions specifically that the item is a lint roller. And I'm going to actually link it right here where it literally says it's a lint roller. So I'm going to copy this, copy a link address, reference. After reviewing the product reviews, the product is not a lint roller. The reviews are fake. After reviewing the product reviews, I can see that someone hijacked the product and is now selling purple toothpaste. And then what we're going to do is just put this into ChatGPT, make it better, and then we'll go from there. Let me show you. Okay, so the initial one I typed in, all I did is I went to Grok and I said, look, make this better. And then it just made it better. And the more links you add, the better. I just put one link, so I'd probably put 3 links that show that it's fake, the reviews are fake. But it really explains it in a very concise way where even a child can understand. The item listed is a purple toothpaste for teeth whitening, not a lint roller, indicating that the reviews are likely fake or hijacked by a seller. I mean, anybody who looks at this, if they actually take time to look at it, it's just extremely obvious that the reviews are fake. Now you can list the ASIN. So we're going to get the ASIN right here, put it in. URLs. Oh, here, this is where you put the URLs. So then you're going to copy the URL. There's so many URLs in here. Love the lint roller. It's just hilarious, this stuff. So you can put in all the URLs. And then you can also purchase the product as optional. And then you just send it to Amazon. Now, this should get approved. And you don't even have to reference Amazon's product review policies because it's right here. So you can open this in a new tab and then see Amazon's customer review policies. You can also like highlight which ones it's, violating. So after you submit this, right, it's going to go to a human at Amazon. And if that human is lazy, which they most likely are, they're going to deny it, and they're not going to look into it, right? So what you need to do is you need to be very serious. You need to say this is a very serious violation at the beginning, right? You know, this is ruining Amazon, right? Something like that. So you want them to be serious. And they're like, oh shoot, like I need to report this to a higher up. And then on top of that, what you can do to make this even bigger is doing a test buy. And I know people hate doing this, but this just increases your chances of success by around 90%. And 90% is a lot. So what you would do is you would purchase this product and then you would wait for it to be delivered. Then you get your order ID, you give it to Amazon and show them that you actually purchased the item, and then you submit this full submission. After that, you're going to be following up with Amazon. Make sure you follow up. Don't just submit it and forget about it, or else it might not be looked into. Finally, you're going to escalate it. If it's not getting solved, you can escalate this issue right here, or you can recontact them. Just make sure you are following up on the brand support case log, and you should be good to go. And that's it for today's video. If you successfully removed a competitor using the reporting process, share your experience in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, we have an infringement service where our dedicated team is going to go through all of your listings, all of your competitors' listings, kick off all those hijackers, kick off all of those counterfeits, and make sure your Amazon account is nice and clean. Not only do we do Amazon in every single country on Amazon, we also do eBay, Walmart, Alibaba, AliExpress, Temu, Wish, Etsy, Google, and more. We can get all those fakes kicked off, and we manually monitor them. It's not just some type of robot, so we'll actually see them and get them removed one at a time. And of course, we're going to send you weekly reports showing you how many customers we're getting or how many competitors are getting removed. And then of course, those customers are going to go back to your listing and increase your sales. For complete brand protection, check out our infringement service. The link is right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.